Wondering what I'm doing? I just cleaned out the fridge since today is National Clean Out Your Refrigerator Day. After all, we want it to be ready for the holidays. And since they're right around the corner, I want to share a tasty and colorful side dish that I know that you'll love. We begin by trimming a good amount of Brussels sprouts and cutting them in half. After that, we cut a butternut squash in half, remove the seeds, peeled it, and cut it into cubes. Or you can use pre-cut squash, which is a lot easier. We toss it with some oil, salt, pepper, and a bit of cinnamon. After roasting these on a baking sheet for about 30 minutes, we toss in some walnuts, dried cranberries, and a bit of maple syrup. Now, we can either serve this as is or place it in a baking dish and warm it up right before the festivities begin. Either way, the combination of the Brussels sprouts and squash, accented with the cinnamon and maple syrup, is really tasty. So after cleaning out your fridge, here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our Cinnamon Maple Roasted Veggies. This way you'll have them in time for the holidays. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a colorful new way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.